take on women bearing bearing the emotional weight of the relationship?
Oh.
Kasi natawa ko kasi. Wala lang, be. At this age, at this time, by now, I am tired of boys having emotional IQ, emotional intelligence of,
EQ.
oh,
Super baba.
what was that? Emotional intelligence of a
Okay.
fucking squirrel. Boys, do not be so fucking stupid. O, di ba kayo marunong pakiramdam?
Okay.
Can you not read the room?
Okay. That
Tagal
one.
namin, yung tagal kasi namin naging problem.
Nagitagal namin. Naging.
Naging problem.
Okay.
Naging nga.
Yeah, thank you. Give me my flowers, please.
Yes. Get the flower.
Okay.
Ang tagal kasi namin naging problem yan. Parang pag boys, they're so clueless all the time.
They're so oblivious.
Parang black and white ang mundo. Parang, kunwari, may jowa ka, ganyan, ako, jowa niya ako. Tapos, I was upset about something he did. And then, sasabihin niya sa akin, di naman yun yung intention eh. Ba't kayo nagagalit? Parang,
Parang di naman yung point. Yeah. Gets. Okay. Here's my take on it.
I'm tired of guys being immature.
Okay. Number one.
Here you can say biologically kasi I know
Yes,
there's a
I was about to
biological
say it. Throughout history. And then if you also take into account,
correct naman.
if you also take into account like physiological development of men versus women, women are almost
Earlier talaga.
always the one to mature first or faster
Earlier ang
emotionally.
Correct.
Okay, emotionally. So, kaya nga, pansin mo, if you're a guy, if you're a dude right now, mapapansin mo yan if may jowa ka. Para may mga times na nagagalit siya. Tapos di mo alam.
Hindi mo nagigets.
Bakit siya galit?
Kahit ina-explain sa'yo, hindi mo nagigets.
Oo, di ba?
Ano kasi problema kayo sa kanya before?
Oo.
explain ko na, di ba?
Para for me,
pinaliwanag ko na.
Ano mali dun?
Pinaliwanag ko na at lahat-lahat para maintindihan niya. And then he goes on saying, hindi nga yun ganun eh, blah, 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 blah.
Parang pinipilit ko pa.
Parang pag hindi nila nakikita, in their own fucking brain, it doesn't exist.
Bigay ka ng concrete example para mas magets nila. So for example, ito.
Sige.
For example, okay, number one, hindi ka selosa. Okay. Parang she's never the one to like be jealous about whatever and shit.
Yeah.
But there are times na parang for me, I'm just being helpful.
Okay.
And then for you, you're gonna be like,
taka mo naman.
Bakit?
Hindi mo nakita yun.
Oh, okay. Example in college. Okay.
Alam ko na yan.
In college, parang, ikaw magkwento. From your point of view.
Okay, kasi, there's this one time, siya pa yung nagkwento sa akin Ang galing. Siya pa yung nagkwento sa akin. Kasi, nung college kasi, we went to the same uni. Hindi ko alam kung parang
sabi na natin. Ganito yung, hindi kita yung juicy. Ba't ganito yung ad mo?
Ganito kasi kami yung ad mo.
Yeah.
Tapos, ayun, same year kami and everything. Hindi lang kami same ng course. But, syempre, same year kami and then same school. So, everyday kami magkasama.
Yes.
And then, after classes, ganyan, or like during breaks, we eat together, we go home together, ganyan.
We pasok together most of the time.
Pasok kami sabay. And then, there's this one time, uwian ba yun? Uwian yun, no?
Oo.
Or break?
Parang break
Okay.
yata.
Break time yun. Parang nauna kasi, hindi, supposedly, sabay yung break time namin.
Oo.
Kasi the way we did it before, as much as possible, sabay yung break times, sabay yung pasok, first class, yung end ng last class. Para sabay kami ganyan, para madali.
Yeah.
And then, that day, supposedly, sabay yung break namin. And then, hinintay ko siya dun sa may eating area namin, wherever. Basta, parang, hinintay ko siya kasi, bibili ng food, whatever, kakain. And then, ang tagal niya. And then, nung dumating siya, syempre late, ganyan. And I ask, parang saan ka galing, ganyan, what happened, whatever. And then he goes to say, sinamahan niya daw yung classmate niya.
Sasamahan dapat.
Ay, sasamahan niya daw dapat yung classmate niya na girl who asked him to, ayun, nagpapasama yung girl dun sa car niya.
May
Magbuhat ng gamit,
magbuhat ng
whatever,
something.
oo. Parang may gamit na bubuhatin from the classroom to the parking lot. And then, sa kanya nag-ask ng help kasi magbitbit, whatever. And then, sabi niya, hindi daw siya tumuloy. Ba't hindi ka tumuloy?
Kasi kikitain kita eh.
Oo, kasi kikitain niya
But
ako. But he was still late.
So, okay.
So, he got caught up in the conversation. I don't know.
Okay.
But, I mean, sabi ko,
Ang register sa akin, parang,
ako na magtutulay. Ang register sa kanya, hindi lang siya kasi it's so inconvenient.
oo.
Like, ayaw niya lang magbitbit.
Ayaw ko lang magbitbit. Kasi,
Mainit.
ang haba eh. Parang
Malayo.
ilang steps din yun. Na,
At saka mainit.
siguro 1 kilometer walk din.
Oh.
Eh,
Gets ko naman. But like, sabi ko,
parang mali yung intention mo for not going.
oo, sabi ko, ha? So, hindi mo siya sinamahan kasi
Red flag
wala,
yun.
ayaw mo lang. Ganun. And then, red flag yun sa akin kasi parang, what the fuck, can you not be in the room?
Yeah.
Can you not see the signs?
So, oblivious ako. Na parang,
syempre ako,
para for
in-explain.
me, walang mali siya.
Oo, parang ako kasi in-explain ko sa kanya, parang why is it like that, ganyan.
Ako kasi, di ko talaga na-gets at all. Eh, keep in mind, college na ako nito. So, dun ko rin napag-alaman na kapag babae, for example, parang usual, di ba ikaw mismo nagsasabi, parang usual tactic yung patulong nito, patulong dito,
women will do everything they can para involved yung gusto nilang guy.
Yeah.
In whatever shit. Okay.
So, parang for me that time, parang ang in-argue mo ay, hindi mo magets. Parang she's like
Parang
trying something.
sabi ko nun, out of every male in that class,
Fucking room.
bakit ikaw?
Yeah, bakit ako?
And like sabi ko, college, wala bang friends yan?
Wala bang girlfriends yan?
Wala bang friends yan? Wala bang ibang kakilala yan? I mean, yung class na yun, parang that's just one class, di ba?
Ang nag-trigger sa'yo, the something that triggered you more was that hindi pa kami ganong close, di ba?
Oo, ayun. So, parang hindi mo blockmate yun eh.
No, hindi.
Oh, hindi niya blockmate yun.
Parang,
They're
yeah.
strangers, whatever. And then sabi ko, can you not pick up signs?
Yeah.
Parang for him, parang, wala sa isip. Wala nga sa isip ko yun eh. So, it's not like that.
So that's an example of how...
But, yun nga, men, boys.
Yes, that's an example on how men can be like oblivious to shit, diba?
Yeah, and even if you don't intend to, it's saying something kasi to your partners.
Yeah. For me, ganito. Ang take ko dyan ay...
And you don't want that.
Ang take ko dyan ay, it will be 3 outcomes eh.
Wow. Okay.
Kasi, common na yan. It's always going to be common that the women in the relationship would always carry the emotional burden of the relationship. I mean, different story pag walawa. Right?
Yeah,
it's different.
That's a whole different topic.
It's a whole different topic.
May enter ba ako doon?
Same thing with male to male, diba? So, male to female, most of the fucking time, it's always the female who is more in tune with her emotional capacity and shit. And then yung guy yung medyo lagging talaga. So, 3 outcomes lang yan. Number 1, you guys break up because of it. Kasi wala lang, parang, alam mo, sobrang bobo mo emotionally. Even if you're perfect in all the other aspects, parang, you're a dead end or hindi kita kayang ayusin or wala akong patience to fucking work this out with you. So, alam mo, just break this off right now. Mag-train ka on your own and then find someone in the future na, hopefully mas emotionally intelligent ka na by then. So that's why you guys break up. Number 2 is it's not an issue. So second, parang they're females who just wala lang, parang throughout time wala. It was
Feeling ko
never
yung
an
mga
issue na
ganitong females, mga secure sila eh. Parang, alam mo, hindi ko problema. Ang dami kong ibang problema sa
bahala ka
sarili
dyan.
ko. Bahala ka sa
Bahala ka
buhay
sa
mo.
buhay mo.
Siguro, yeah. Secure females.
Oo, ganun. Or like, siguro yung guys, or like yung lalaki nila. It's just, wala lang, parang sobrang gullible, sobrang
Oo.
clueless talaga
Golden
na,
retriever.
alam mo, this man is a fucking idiot. Parang, sobrang innocent ng utak niya, might as well not tarnish it and
Oo.
put meaning into it. Hayaan na natin siyang, mabuhay ng payapa.
That is, if secure nga yung girl.
Oo. And then yung isa, which is yung tayo, we work it off.
You work it off.
Yeah. Although ikaw, medyo hybrid ka na, you're secure and wala kang pakialam. Pero it's more of you not wanting me to look stupid. And you just wanted me to be
Tsaka parang,
less,
for me kasi, it's also the, alam mo, number 1, I care about him din kasi, and like, I have this big respect in like saying things.
Yeah.
Parang if you wanna say things, if
Just
there's
say it.
something bothering you, just fucking say it. So that's what I did. And also kasi, parang sabihin ko na kasi, what the fuck? I mean, dami natin pwedeng isipin.
Yeah, pala, let's get this out of
Let's
the way.
over.
Yeah.
Diba? Let's just get this over with.
Yeah.
Ayun.